So this coaster turned out to be a lot cuter than I was expecting. It is super unique, and I use unique loosely. It looks cool, and it's definitely targeted towards kids and families, and definitely not targeted towards us enthusiasts, and we should keep that in mind when judging this coaster. So I think this coaster actually looks like a really cool, fun, and super unique attraction for the kids and families at the Disney parks. I would expect to see more of these at other parks in the Disney chain. And even if it's not themed to Toy Story, I think like these cute little family coasters are much needed. Yeah, that's all I have to say about that. Again, I'm keeping this as a kid and family in mind, not an enthusiast. All right, have a good one, guys. Bye.